Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how I find my niches for creating t-shirts. One simple method, I guess is the most common and used method and free. And then I'm gonna show you two ways
Two ways.
that you can upscale the design and remove background and get them ready to upload to Amazon. Okay, this was a question I had in the comments of someone. I don't remember the name, but he said that he wanted to know simple ways to upscale and remove background. Okay, here we go. If I'm doing a basic search, I will go to Merge Informer research tool. This is free. Here's the link if you want to go. I'm gonna leave it in the description. And this search is gonna show only results of merch on demand, not all the catalog of Amazon. Okay, and the easiest way to find new trends is to put it blank, nothing, and go search. Let's see. Here we got the best sellers. This is not what we're looking for because these are all with high competition, but we put newest arrivals. Here we have all the newest arrivals of designs that are new and already had sold. Okay, for this example, I'm gonna take a fast look. This is repeating. When you find designs repeating, it's a good sign that it's a trend. I know that this is a trend of a movie, so I'm not gonna do that. Let's see. Well, for the example, this catch my attention. Get in, loser. We're doing God's will. God's stuff sells very well. Jesus, etc.
I am watching you. Careful for your words.
So now I'm gonna again go to my extension productor from Merch by Amazon, research, and standard t-shirt. Let's see the results. Okay, here we have the results for that search, long tail keyword, and I'm gonna put bestsellers. Let's see selling. We have 116 products, very low. Below 300 is very well. Oh, here we go. We have a very good PSR of 300,000. Let's wait to load. Okay, noted. Here I will put with this arrow, sort result but sales run. The best-selling design is gonna be here. If you press here, the arrow. We press it. Let's see. Would be let's see another result. We have the same phrase but with different outcomes. Well, for the example, let's use this one. This is good example, good BSR. We have text and graphic. I'm gonna download this, and then I'm going to my Gemini gems. Here, if you wanna learn how to create gems for your designs, please click on the link that I'm showing you now here at the top, and you can learn with that video. I'm gonna include the reference, and I'm gonna press. Let's see what we get. Now it's pinking. Now it's defining the best 5 styles that the AI thinks would work for a design like this. This is the thinking of the gem. Look at closer the keyword. Okay, here we got the results. Let's see what we got. We go with the first one here. Here the image Pro. In the meantime, we got copy a second one and a third one. Okay, here we got a result, but I don't need the mockup. Put the graphic black background. No mockup. Let's see. It's a good result. I like very much. I download this one. I like also, but put graphic on a black background. No mockup. The gem instructions are to make it in black background, but sometimes it fails, so you have to do it again. So let's see the first one. Here we go. The first one is working now with a black background. Okay, I can make it work. You get it down. And now I'm gonna show you the first method I used to use before, where I use a tool to upscale the images. and then I will delete background on Photoshop for free.
Method number 1.
Let's go. For this examples, we're gonna put here are the size. Now I'm gonna use this tool to upscale. The name of the tool is called Upscale, like this, and you can download it, search it on the internet. I downloaded it for free the first time, but now I think you have to pay like $10. I'm not sure. It was long ago, like 2 years ago. So now here I put batch upscale for a bulk operation. Select folder, examples. Here, these are the options. Upscale 45504. 4x is good. Set up, output, the save folder, examples, and then I put upscale and have to wait a minute. It takes a few minutes, depends on the amount of graphics. You're gonna go and take a coffee, for example. Okay, after the upscale is done, we have a new folder here in the examples. I'm gonna use one of the design upscale. Now it's 42 megabytes, and I'm gonna open it on Photoshop. Okay, we got the file. The first thing I'm gonna do is erase this icon, the Gemini icon. I took the picker, pick the color black. I take the pencil here, and I'm gonna erase. Okay, now this is very important. I'm going to go to select. I pick color range. Here I'm gonna invert here. Now okay, now it's all selected by the invert. And now here I'm gonna search for create mask from selection. I think you can do it here also. Here you create mask. Then we have only selected the graphic. The background is released. I like to do this here. I merge these two layers, and then since this is tilted, I'm gonna tilt it this way. I'm gonna increase the size a little bit and put it here, and there I got my design. Now you can duplicate it if the layer is kind of transparent. You can duplicate the layer and merge them. Okay, I'm now gonna add a new layer, and I'm gonna see. You see, we can change the background or other colors. And it works. It's still a little transparent, so I'm gonna put another layer, and now it's thicker. Okay, now we delete the layer, and we can export this as PNG. The samples images. We got a fresh page. Okay, this is the method for free with Photoshop and Upscale. Now I'm gonna show you a second method because Photoshop.
The second method.
For this method, I'm gonna use a tool called Vectorizer. Okay, we're gonna use this one for it. First, since Gemini puts the icon there, I'm gonna erase the icon very quickly. I'll choose the color and see. I'm gonna crop it a little bit. Now I'm gonna go to Vectorizer here. Vectorizer.ai. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I'm gonna drag the image here. This one. It's uploading. This will transform my graphic into vector and give me the chance to delete the background color. As you see how it is. It's very easy. This works better for vector graphics, but with gradients, it doesn't work very well. Okay, here we have it, and we press here for the palette, and now in this group of colors, the colors that are in the graphic, we select the background, which is this one, the black. See, and now we pick PI and then delete the background. Okay, then we press the check here, processes, and now we press download, and we can download the format that we want. With this case PNG, but it can be SVG, PDF, EPS. And here are some customs that you can change. But for this example, we're gonna download. We go here, and we got a result here. I'm gonna check it in Photoshop again. You see, sometimes you have to fix little things like this, for example, with this tool, the magic selector. You can fix them quickly on this, like this, and I'm gonna put a background to see if it works. You see, and the graphics are like new. No pixels, verify. Anyway, if you want a higher resolution even, you can then, this file, this PNG, upscale it in the tool I showed you before. Okay, so here I show you how I will pick fast niches that are perhaps trending if you're lucky with the Merch Informer tool. That's the easiest way to find new trends. Sometimes you don't find anything, but sometimes you find the newest trends they are. How you can create the graphic design with your gems, and then how can you upscale fast and remove background, or vectorize and remove background. I'm gonna leave the tools, the sites of the tools in the description, so that you can find it yourself and you can make your workflow faster as ever. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please write me in the comments what you would like to see in next one, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.